Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to be going over 88 today. Guys, 88 is one of those coins I think that is just going to explode here. We'll talk about this a little bit, but man, I'll show you some. Let's just dive into the analysis real quick. Guys, currently we're sitting at 109 for 109 wins on this channel. We ended up taking our 109th win. You guys can see over here, actually on Mana. And our 110th win is most likely going to be Avalanche because we just hit our second buy limit and we're very close to actually getting into the profit for Avalanche. So I will keep you guys updated on that. Guys, in the second half of this video, I'll show you exactly how to get into our Telegram channel, how to get into our trading program to trade with us, get our indicators, get our metrics, all that good stuff. So I'll show that to you guys in a second here. Let's take a look at this. Let's go through the analysis today. The trend dashboard shows me what retail trader indicators are looking like this morning, and majority of them are very bearish. They're all red. So I'm looking for retail traders either to continue the selling this morning or to at least start to look to, maybe keep placing short trades. Honestly, like a lot of retail traders out there have been conditioned to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Trade with momentum. And when I see this up here, this tells me that a lot of retail traders are probably going to start looking to either bail out of the market and maybe sell. But I want to tell you guys something. Don't let this affect your emotions too much. The reason for this is because I do think we're going to start seeing a little bit of a move back up here because once I show you the metrics, we are seeing the market get very anxious over here, but this is when Wells and institutions actually buy the market. I'll show you that to you guys in a second. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. We saw that we ended up getting up to the top red section and we saw a really nice call here for short trades. All of you guys, we don't take short trades on this channel, just long trades, just so you guys know from where our win rate is coming from. But those of you guys who took short trades, you made a ridiculous amount of money down here. You guys also who took short trades up here when the trend exhaustion got high, any of you guys who took any single signal that was up here with the trend exhaustion and the well money flow, you guys did very well. And if you are holding any positions right now, you are making a killing. Seriously, it is ridiculous how much you're making with that. So great job for all of our traders who are doing that. You guys can scalp with these and you'll do very well. Look at what's happening this morning. We're starting to see the trend exhaustion move back up here and well money flow starting to move up here. This is divergence. So let me show this to you guys here. When you start seeing price action move down, in the same time period that you see the well money flow moving up, this is what's called divergence. We see this both on the well money flow as well as the trend exhaustion. When I've shown this to you guys in the past, this is a precursor to a pump in the market. We've seen this many, many times before. We've also seen this in times where we've actually seen the market go up and overextend itself, and we've actually seen the well money flow head out and trend exhaustion head out, actually like we honestly saw right here. See trend exhaustion moving out, price action continuing to go up here. This is a sign that the market wants to drop back down. What we're seeing this morning are bullish signs with the indicators that we're looking for a move back up. Okay, let me show you guys something else that's just like ridiculous that I maybe some of you guys are looking at this, but maybe not. We have this, I would honestly argue to say this is one of the most, if not the most bullish technical patterns that we have, a descending triangle pattern. There's other names we can call that. But look at this. Price structure heading down, but respecting a support. What do you guys see over here that happened? We saw a support that was respected right at $1, and we saw price action moving down. And that was the exact same technical pattern setup that we saw before we pumped 193%. Is it possible to do this again? Yes, it's absolutely possible. But look at this right now. If you guys actually take out a price range from where we're currently at and you just go to that structure high, I'm going to go exactly to this high up here. We're sitting at about 218%. Okay, we're over 20%, about 25% higher from where we're at currently. And this is a definite pattern that can play out again for a 193% pump. That is a prediction I do believe we can hit before the end of the year. I've been reading some articles lately and they're like, hey, I think by the end of this year, some of these guys, these tech gurus, I don't know how much I believe all of them, but I'm starting to see the sentiment show that we could start hitting some real nice all-time highs again before the end of the year is over. Guys, that's over 200% you guys could be realizing there. Absolutely incredible. This is why it is my second highest holding coin in my whole entire portfolio, and we were doing really good over here. 150,000 is our break-even entry. Okay, let's go over the metrics now. Guys, really quickly, let me just make a real quick point of this. If you guys want to trade with us, take all of our trades, all 109 wins that we've won. We've never lost a trade, highest win rate on all of YouTube. We are upping our membership price this week. You guys have 4 days. It used to be 3-4 months. You have 4 days left, and we are upping our membership from $49 a month to $95. Everybody who's currently holding a membership with us and everyone who gets in today, you guys are going to be able to stay at $49 and you will not be upgraded to $95 when that price goes up this Friday. Okay, so make sure you guys are getting over here. If you're like, man, I want to trade with you guys, or at least have, some of you guys might have like other mentors you trade with. At least have us on the side to, or maybe make this your main, source of income when you guys are trading in the markets. We will keep you guys safe. I'm trading here with live money. You guys will love this. Access all the master classes. We're actually I'm going to be going live on Zoom with you guys March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. And we're just going to hang out. We're going to do an open Q&A session. We'll talk about the markets and we'll just get to know each other as a family a little bit better. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I just want to point that out to you guys just so you know that. All right, let me get us over into the metrics here. Go on the front page and scroll down to Cardano charts. Let's take a look at this because this actually just updated this morning. So this is all fresh data that we're working with because it updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and it's currently 8:15. So really good data we're working with on here. It's just a daily candle. It's a daily chart that we're using, so it updates every day. Okay, from an emotional index perspective here, we are seeing that retail traders, their emotions are anxious. The price is dropping. Like, obviously, a ton of people are anxious because I know people who got over here. They like, you guys think we got in, like, we're down 38%. Guys, that's actually really, really good because I know there's people over here who FOMO'd who are still holding from the high over here. Okay, if you're looking at that, guys, I know there's people over here who are still holding this, who are down like 67%. We even had a trader come out and tell us, Travis, I've made $12,000 with you guys, and my friends are down 65% right now. That's why this strategy that we're using, guys, is super good in all markets, bear markets and bull markets. We're going to keep our accounts safe when the market crashes, which is honestly, in my opinion, more important than trying to make money as the market goes up. Because now when the market goes back up, guys, those of you who are down 60+%, once we go up 60%, you guys are just going to be breaking even, maybe not even in the profit yet, and we're going to be doing tens of thousands of dollars of profit here because we only need 38 to get back to break even. Okay, I hope you guys, I see what I'm saying here. It's very important that all of your trading comes down to risk management. Anything else, you're just gambling, and you're going to watch your money dwindle away. In this bear market, we have had, I believe, one of the healthiest accounts we can find on YouTube here because we have used such good risk management. Okay, I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here in a second at the end of the video, which you'll understand this a little bit better. Let's move down here. Long versus short trades over here on Bitfinex. What we're seeing is short trades are moving out here a little bit. This is a bullish sign. Why? Because when short trades move out, it actually gives way to long trades, and long trades have been steadily increasing over here on Bitfinex. Short trades will usually increase when we see pumps up in the market because they want to make their money on the way back down. But as the market's been going down, they've been moving out of the way. Long trades have been moving into the market. This is a bullish sign, guys. Okay, let's move down. Market cap strength. All right, let's take a look at the market cap. Money is flowing out of ADA super fast. We can see from the high up here that it just dwindled out, and this is why I believe ADA saw one of the craziest drops out of all the altcoins. It saw one of the craziest drops, honestly, ever that I've seen. I've not seen a continuational drop in ADA in any other coin like this. It is crazy. But if you watch the market cap behind here, the green line, it was clear that people were taking their money out of Cardano and they were placing it other places, okay? This is at a place right now where not a lot of people are paying attention to this because the market cap is so low and it's going into other coins. Although, even though it's there, a lot of people, I want to make reference to this, a ton of people have their money in stable coins. Looking at coinmarketcap.com, Cardano is still number 7. This is an incredible coin, guys. Incredible. So when you guys are looking at this and you're like, man, I think we could head back up. Yes, we could absolutely head up here pretty far. Because I think with the high market cap, the structures we see in here, all the technical patterns, guys, this thing can explode. All right, it can explode. A lot of money is moved into stable coins right now with USDC and Tether because people are nervous and they don't know how low this is going to go. When you start seeing Tether drop out and you start seeing USDC drop out of the top 10 here, that means money is going to flow back into the coins, and that's where we're going to probably see the next bull run. Okay, just giving you guys full transparency of what I see here and what I've seen in the past. Trades in favor. Very good metric for you guys to be watching over here. What I'm seeing here is as the price started moving down here, we're starting to shift into good long trade territory. The previous time we saw this, we did see a move back up in 88, which is very nice. The previous time before that, we saw them move back up. And then look at this, guys. For all my short traders out there, if you guys are waiting for good short trade metrics to come out over here, man, you guys are doing so well. These metrics you guys can access. Go ahead and make as much money as you want. Check these metrics before you guys get into a trade setup. It will help you guys make more money. I truly, truly believe that. Okay, well, institutional smart money here. What are we seeing, guys? We're seeing that long trades are increasing over here, showing us that Wells Institution and Smart Money are buying the dip here. I am looking for this to give us a precursor move back up. We saw this last time over here, and this ended up pumping the market back up. We also saw it over here, and we saw the move back up here, guys. Watch this metric before you guys enter into trades. It will help you guys trade on the right side. Don't trade with emotions. That's how you guys lose trades. You trade on the right side of the market by using the Wells Institutional Smart Money, okay? Real quick pause here, guys. If you like anything you see in this video, you guys, if you want to just smash that subscribe button there, it would just mean so much to me. If you guys are like, man, Travis, thank you for showing me that metric. I really feel like that helped me today. Guys, subscribe just means the world to me. So anyways, just want to say that. Thank you guys so much. All right, support and resistance prices here. I do think the next greatest area of resistance is probably going to be up here at about 110. So let's take a look at this. 110 puts us at this high right here, okay? 110, yes, that's where we're probably going to head to next. I really want us to look at this area up here, what's right around 120. I think 120 is where we can start heading up here and we start seeing this nice move back up and then maybe move back down. The reason I say that, to be fully transparent, guys, like look at this. This descending resistance line is kind of ridiculous. So as we start moving up here, I wouldn't doubt if we see a little bit of a bull run and we get right around this area about 120, 125 quarters theory number and we start heading back down. Okay, I wouldn't doubt if we ping pong here for a little bit. And I think by about March 7th, which puts us right over here, we're going to start seeing a pressure point build here if we start moving back up. And that's when we can start seeing this explosion. Guys, like I said, 193% pump is not unrealistic for Cardano. Okay, let's move down here and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Dollar cost average entries over here. If you guys got into any of these, great job, guys. Great job throwing $1,000 into the market every time here and riding this back up. Guys, people who get in now and follow these channels like this channel that we have, you guys are getting into these trades, you're going to make a killing if you just hold your money in here. It's going to be insane what you guys are going to do. And I'll show you guys my account that grows. My goal here, guys, is to grow this to $200,000, take $100,000 out and go buy a house for us. Like literally that's my goal. Like we're already in a house, but we're like, we're looking to buy another one. So my goal here is to get this up to $200,000, take $100,000 out. Like guys, it is important that as you make money to take money out and spend it. Okay, there's whole principles behind that. I won't go into this video, but just showing you guys, you need to have a goal in front of you. When you're trading, you have to have a goal of what you're trying to do. And my goal is to hit that before like mid-year, before May 29th, which is my birthday. I'm going to try to grow this to $200,000. I think it's possible. Okay. Exit points here. Next time we start seeing the price action move up here, we're going to be looking for the red part, a bar to come out and then the move back down. Okay. The trade setup, guys, that you can take today is right down here. You guys just keep scrolling. I want to go over to Bitcoin because I do want to respect our followers over here, and they're all paying for that. So let me show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin, and I'll most likely come out with a Bitcoin video later today to give us a market update on this. All right, look at ADA. We're going to keep everything the same here. The only thing you're going to do on the ADA chart, for those of you guys entering in this morning, is you can use 3 buy limits instead of 4 because we're so low. But here's what you guys are going to do. Take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Take this $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, so $250 at each of the 4 buy limits here in yellow. Now, once those 4 buy limits are hit here, excuse me, let me go back here. My apologies. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. Great, we got that. Once the first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So once this first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit up here in case we skyrocket up overnight. Now, here's what I want you guys to follow over here. Get into the Telegram channel. This is where I'm calling exits for all of our trades, as well as telling you guys exactly what I'm entering into when I get into new trades. Once a trade exits, I let you guys know. I tell you guys I'm getting back into it. So you guys can literally copy and get into every single one of the trades that I'm taking over here because we've never lost a trade. A lot of you guys are like, I want to copy you exactly. You guys can do that in the Telegram. Also, you guys are getting access to the master classes in there when I come out with them, as well as you guys will be getting the Telegram link to give you guys access to the Zoom call that we're going to be doing on March 10th and hanging out as a family. All right, guys, last but not least, guys, overall the metrics are looking very bullish here, but I want to show you guys the indicators we got on sale right now real quick. 82% off. The indicators you really want, guys, is price versus money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These three right now, they're 40% off. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout. You guys want the craziest deal on indicators like literally ever? We have 82% off on these three indicators, but you also get the bundle pack because it's the bundle pack. You're going to get 9 of our indicators. So every indicator that I've ever coded here for Trade Confident, you guys are going to get all 9 of these, okay? And 2 Forex indicators that are absolutely amazing. And if you guys read the testimonials, you'll see people already making money with that. So I just want to point this out to you guys. This is in the description. This is a one-time purchase. It's not a monthly fee, just a one-time purchase. You guys will pay this once, and you guys will get this for life. You get the source codes as well. So the bundle pack is like the coolest gift you can gift yourself to call these markets in here. And guys, the wins that we're taking over here, all 109 wins have been called with exits with the indicators. Okay, it tells you something about them, how accurate they are. All right, guys, I'll leave it there. ADA is an incredible coin. I think we are ready to just see an incredible blast off here. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the thumbnail, but 193% is not unrealistic by the end of the year. And I think we can hit that. I really, really do, guys. Like, if not that, I think getting back up here, let me just show you this real quick and we'll end this video because this is another realistic prediction I wanna show you guys. Let's look at this. Coming over here, let's take a 50% Fibonacci retracement. From the low to the high up here, a 50% retracement puts us up here at $2. $2 is going to be a great whole number we can hit before we start seeing a move down. So I think easily we can come up here over 100%. So 100 to 200% this year is not unrealistic. Because hey, let me take this a little bit step further. You guys are like, I don't know if I believe that. All right, well, let me show you how long it took us to pump last time from this area up to that area, okay? Just a little more data for us to hold here. Let's take the exact bottom and go up to the top here. 45 days, less than 2 months. Guys, we're in February going into March. Do you think if we get a bull market, we could hit by the end of the year? Absolutely. It's 45 days, a month and a half. We grew 204%. Basically from here, we grew about 193.27 because that's like the exact mark. But literally, I'm not going to put this in the thumbnail because I think this is kind of a little ridiculous, although there's proof of this because it did happen. We may see a 200% pump here in Q2 of this year. It did it before. Why can't it do it again? All right. So just pointing that out to you guys. I think this could be an absolutely incredible coin that if you're not in, I would get some money in over here. I'm not a financial advisor, but guys, this is going to be insane. Once you guys get back up here into the profit here, we're going to call an exit because our break even is at 155. This is not going to take long. I really don't think it's going to take long, guys. The market, yes, is going down, but I think we're going to see a turnaround. This is great times to buy. God bless you guys so much. If you like anything you saw in this video, please subscribe. It means the world to me. And guys, make sure you get into the membership because this is going up in 4 days. You guys are going to see our membership prices increase. So make sure you guys get in at $49 a month. We'll grandfather you in so you're never having to pay the higher price. And you guys will be in there for as long as you want. Have a good one, guys. Everything you need is in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube channel for all the links that you need to the indicators and the subscription here. And I'll see you guys later. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.